Welcome, in front of me is a Sony Xperia 10 Mark V, and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, you want to pull down your toggles by swiping down from the top of your screen, and swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles. Now on one of the pages you should have a screen recorder. For me it is right over here, as you can see. So once you see this toggle, you can simply tap on it. This will bring up a couple options, so record audio, either device, microphone, both, and if you don't want to record any audio, just turn that off. And then below that, show touches on the screen, which I will enable just so you can see how that looks like on a recording. It will try to simulate on the screen recording where my finger was pressing the display with a semi-transparent gray dot. Now before I start recording, I'm also going to hold the toggle to see if I have anything more here, but it looks like that's all the settings. So we're gonna select start. It will begin a 3-second countdown and then begin recording. So whatever you'll do right now will be recorded. Let's open something up like settings. Now once you're done recording, you can pull down your notifications once again and select the stop button right here. This will automatically stop recording and save the screen recording to your Photos application or gallery, whatever we have right here. We have Photos. So I'll open it up. Come on. Now, once you open up your Photos application, you'll be most likely located in the Photos tab right here. So you want to navigate to the library, and then here you can select Movies. And screen recordings are being saved to Movies, as you can obviously see right over here. So that's the screen recording. You can also see in the screen recording this grayish dot that just shows up right here. That's basically where my finger was pressing the display, and it is visible on the recording, as you can see. So there we go. Now with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.